Winter doesn't have to mean empty windowsills or expensive, flavorless produce. Today we're counting down 10 winter vegetables you can grow indoors for fast harvest, even if you've never touched a garden before. These plants love cool temperatures, thrive in small spaces, and deliver fresh food when grocery prices are at their worst. Some take weeks, others take days. So which ones grow the fastest and which give you the most value? Let's start the countdown. Number 10, baby Swiss chard. Colorful, mild, and surprisingly resilient, baby Swiss chard earns the 10th spot. Sow seeds thickly in a 6-inch pot and keep the soil evenly moist. Chard prefers cool rooms between 50 and 65 degrees and rewards patience with its first tender leaves in about 30 to 40 days. Harvest by trimming outer leaves and leaving the center intact so it keeps growing. Rainbow varieties don't just look beautiful, they also deliver beta-carotene and steady repeat harvests all winter. Number 9. Spinach. Spinach thrives indoors where cool, stable temperatures prevent bolting. Plant seeds shallowly with space for airflow and keep soil moist, not wet. In just 28 to 40 days, baby leaves are ready, often faster than chard. Harvest the outer leaves and let the center continue producing. It's a low-maintenance way to enjoy iron-rich greens through the cold months. Number 8. Baby kale. Kale is the workhorse of indoor winter growing. A single planting in a small pot can deliver 6 or more harvests. Baby leaves are usually ready around day 30. With light feeding and bright light, kale keeps producing vitamin-packed greens long after other plants slow down. Number 7, radishes. Radishes give you 2 harvests in one. Their greens are ready in just 2 weeks, while crisp baby roots follow around week 4. Space seeds evenly, thin early, and enjoy quick greens while bulbs develop. Few indoor crops move this fast with so little effort. Number 6, lettuce. If speed and reliability matter, lettuce is unbeatable. Scatter seeds in a shallow tray, keep moist, and provide steady light. In 3 to 4 weeks, you'll be cutting baby leaves again and again. By sowing a new tray every 2 weeks, you can maintain nonstop salads all winter. Number 5, Mizuna. Mizuna adds a gentle mustard kick without overwhelming your plate. It grows fast, often ready in just 21 to 25 days, and regrows well after cutting. Mixed with milder greens, it adds flavor, texture, and color that feels gourmet with almost no work. Number 4, arugula bold and peppery. Arugula delivers big flavor fast. Baby leaves are harvest ready in about 20 to 25 days. Cooler light keeps its bite balanced and prevents early bolting. Cut young and you'll have restaurant quality greens grown right on your windowsill. Number 3, sunflower microgreens. Crunchy, nutty, and incredibly fast, sunflower microgreens are ready in as little as 8 to 12 days. Soak seeds, scatter thickly, mist daily, and harvest at 2 to 3 inches tall. Each tray delivers generous yields and instant satisfaction. Number 2, green onions, the fastest zero-cost harvest on the list. Place leftover onion roots in a jar of water, set them on a sunny sill, and wait. In a week or 2, fresh greens shoot up. Snip as needed and regrow again and again, no soil required. Number 1, pea shoot microgreens. Pea shoots take the top spot for speed, yield, and nutrition. Soak seeds overnight, sow densely, and harvest in as little as 7 days. Studies show microgreens can contain many times the vitamins of mature plants. Cheap, fast, and incredibly healthy, pea shoots prove indoor growing isn't a compromise, it's an upgrade. From slow and steady chard to lightning-fast pea shoots, this countdown shows that winter doesn't stop fresh food. With minimal space, low cost, and simple techniques, indoor gardening becomes a high-yield strategy for year-round nutrition. Your next harvest isn't months away, it's days away.